shoulda. There are so many people that I wish had contacted me in advance before doing a transaction just for advice. I said, isn't that the difference between a prospect and a client? And he says, it depends. He is the managing director of WTAS, which has been named one of the top tax advisory firms by Accounting Today. And welcome to Radio Entrepreneurs.
Good evening, guys.
Hi, how are you?
Very good.
And you're a tax accountant?
I'm a tax attorney. I wouldn't say I'm an accountant, but I'm a non-practicing attorney. You have to say that in Massachusetts.
Right, but you're a licensed attorney?
I'm a licensed attorney.
Licensed attorney, but not practicing.
Correct.
And I misspoke. They were named a top 20 tax firm by Accounting Today.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Well, you know, I spend a lot of my time with accounting firms, and so I always find it a pleasure. So it's going to be interesting to hear about your firm and what you think's going on.
Mm-hmm.
So first, do you want to tell us a little bit about the firm?
Yes. It's not a radio station, even though we're kidded about it all the time, about WTAS.
WTAS.
And when I do
We
presentations,
tax you today.
it's tax talk all the time. That's what someone printed up T-shirts, and we're going to hand them out at presentation, but we figured it would confuse everyone. The firm was started about 10 years ago by a number of partners from Arthur Andersen, when we all know the story about that. And it started, and basically they wanted to not have an audit practice and just give tax advice and tax consulting to high net worth individuals, high net worth families, and companies. And it's morphed into about a 25 office firm, international firm, with about 700 people across the United States and across the world. And basically we offer tax consulting and tax compliance advice to entrepreneurs, high net worth families, companies. We have a valuation practice and also an investment advisory practice. In Boston, we're
To higher net worth people and larger companies, would I say?
larger companies, high net worth families, entrepreneurs that have struck it out. But
Because if you're Arthur Andersen people, I tend to think you skew to a more affluent and a larger base.
Yes. But in Boston, we're really making an investment. I have an office over at the Cambridge Innovation Center, and so we're making an investment in entrepreneurs, which leads into, I've seen so many things in my 25-year career where things have gone wrong late in the game, 5 years in the game, when someone's looking for an angel investor, someone's looking for a VC or other things. And I wish I had talked to them early on and just said, you know, get the right attorney, get the right accounting advice, get the right tax advice. These are the things that stop deals, even if you're not a client. And that's what I do over the Innovation Center. I'm dating myself. I'm kind of like Lucy from Peanuts, answering questions, sometimes psychology questions, and just helping them on. They could become a client down the road, or it's just get them on the right road.
So why do you